Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video on how to fix the crash dump error on any OnePlus phone. Today, I am going to walk you through exactly how to get your device back up and running. To get this done, you will need a OnePlus phone with an unlocked bootloader, the MSM download tool specifically for your device, and the OnePlus USB drivers installed on your computer. Right here, I have my OnePlus 6T that is currently stuck with the crash dump error, but the steps will be similar for other models. As you can see on the phone screen, we are currently stuck in the Qualcomm crash dump mode. It looks pretty intimidating, and typically this happens when something goes wrong with the system partition, often after a failed update or custom modification. The phone is basically unresponsive here, but it is not permanently broken. Moving over to my laptop, let me show you the files you need. I have downloaded the specific MSM download tool for my OnePlus 6T. The version I'm using here is based on Oxygen OS version 10, which is based on Android 10. It is super important that you download the tool meant for your exact model. I also have the OnePlus USB drivers here. Since I have already installed the drivers on this PC previously, I won't be installing them again right now, but make sure you have them installed or the tool won't work. Now, we need to boot the phone into EDL mode, which stands for Emergency Download Mode. You'll notice that if I open the MSM tool right now while the phone is still showing the crash dump screen, the tool does not detect the device at all. We have to force it. To boot into EDL mode, keep the phone connected to the PC. Do not unplug it. Now press and hold all three buttons at the same time: volume up, volume down, and the power button. Keep holding them until the screen turns off. Once the screen goes blank and stays pitch black, let go. Don't worry, nothing will appear on the screen. A pitch black screen is exactly what we want, as that indicates we are successfully in EDL mode. On the laptop, the tool has now detected the device, so I'm hitting Start to begin the installation. You can see the progress bar moving as it begins flashing the firmware. The MSM tool is fantastic because it completely restores the device by writing the stock firmware to both slot A and slot B partitions. This ensures that no matter where the corruption was, it is being wiped and replaced with fresh, official software. This process takes a little bit of time, usually a few minutes, so just let it do its thing. Make sure the cable stays stable and connected during this entire process to avoid any interruptions. Alright, the download is complete and green text has appeared saying download complete. You can see the phone has started up once again automatically. It is booting past the logo without any issues, meaning the crash dump error is gone. However, one important thing to note is that the MSM tool has locked the bootloader again to return the phone to factory state. So if you're planning to install a custom ROM, you will need to go through the process of unlocking the bootloader again. That's it for this video. If you managed to fix your OnePlus device, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more Android tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.